Yeah, welcome to this next expert session on power automation, virtualized power automation to be more precise. Maybe you're familiar with our CCAM 8 product family. It's over there on this tower. Come later and see it. Now I will talk about how with our power automation solution we combine the real and the digital world by moving into the virtualized realm with our automation software. So first of all, of course, we have a real substation. We need to automatize and maybe also visualize what is happening in our software, in our substation on premise. So with CCAM 8 software solution, with the so-called all-in-one configuration, we can do so with just one single device. So CCAM 8 software solution can be deployed on different type of IPCs as well as fully virtualized, but in this case we show a solution where we use an IPC, the CCAM 277G, Simatic, too many Siemens words, Simatic IPC 277G with the onboard display that can run multiple CCAM applications in parallel on just one single device. And what can we do with CCAM 8 software solution? We can virtualize the full setup. So the exact same engineering file can be deployed fully virtually and be connected to CProtect digital twins, which basically makes the whole setup available fully digitally, and we can do multiple things with such a setup, right? For us, one of the most important applications would be to actually do testing, right? Before we deploy some kind of installation in the field, we want to have pre-factory acceptance tests as efficient as possible. In today's world, we need to accelerate the way how we roll out new software or patches in the field. So with a third instance, we can have our protection set up as well as our automation set up in the digital world as black boxes in a closed loop test bed setup. How we do that? We explored different options how to do so. The third party, what you see here in the corner up left, is the third instance. It can either be another software solution instance that talks to our CProtect digital twins using an API. So with some fans, we send some measurement values to our CProtect digital twin. Like a black box, the digital twin acts exactly as the real-world device in the field, sends some data or whatever to our automation system, which is also fully virtualized, and by closing the loop and checking whether the behavior of both components is exactly as we expected it to be, we actually have this closed loop testbed set up that really improves the time to have, like, let's say, patches or software updates enrolled in the field. So with this solution, we really want to increase this time of how long do we need to roll out new substations as well as roll out software updates and so on. I'm sure all of you have the same issues as most of our customers. We have a limited workforce. We need to enforce the grid faster than ever before. We need to implement a lot of renewable energy everywhere. So we need strategies how to do this faster. So if you're interested in more information about all these topics, I can give you maybe one little hint where we are going. So we are working on a strategy how to develop such test cases automatically from our engineering tool. So we have a signal list or we have an engineering file, and we think the real value add to the customer will come as soon as we are able to even automate this step and give you some guidance how to virtually test your whole setup before you go live in your system in the field. So anytime if you want to hear more or if you want to see other CCAM 8 products, come by. Any questions now? All right, so thanks.